Hi, I am Anand and this is my case tools lab 8th experiment. The experiment is about deployment diagram. So here I am taking my deployment diagram here. This is the deployment diagram that I have drawn. Here the deployment diagram have a physical relationship between the software and hardware content of the program contents. Here we can see that. Here I am creating three servers for the four servers for the main my our Karunya University system. It is a web server, application server, database server, and a mainframe server. So these are the four servers that I have created. Then in the web server, it contains an articraft mycarnia.edu, minecraft.org, and carnia.edu. Mycarnia.edu, as we know, is used for checking our attendance, fees dues, subject registration, faculty registration, medical leave status. For all this purpose, we are using mycarnia, and it is connected with the database server mycarnia DB. Mycarnia database, it is connected. Here all our details will be all the details that are there will be stored into that in the database server. Here this is the minecraft.org. It is one of the cultural fest that is happening every year in our Karuna University at the time of February March. For that we are creating a group of experts are creating a web server or a web page for that time. Each year they are updating their website. Next is the Cardinia.edu. This page is for showing what all is happening in our Cardinia campus with the thought of the day, Bible reading of the day with the main announcements. It will be having links to all the library library question banks, then if to everything that is connected to Carunia, the admission process, the uh, the uh, campus strength, everything will be shown here in the Carunia.edu server. The next is the application server. It is having a student seminar schedule, and and creating a vendor is equal to Ambisoft persistence. This application server, it is for students. Students are us. We are studying here now. So then the seminar is done by the students. For all these are added in the application server. The schedule will be the timetable for teaching, for everything like that. Then persistence. Next is the database server. The database server will be having uh, mycaronia DB that I have told here, IASTE DB. It is for sending the students to internship to abroad of our country. For that, they have created a database. Then courses.db, courses.carina. Here it is the mainframe server. Courses.carina.edu. It is for enrolling ourselves to a faculty, so that all the contents that have been uh, given by the faculty in the LMS account, that the student can access it and they can study it for their exams. So that's having a courses DB here, courses database. All the database server will be done using vendor that is Oracle, and here all the application server will be used using the Ambisoft software. Ambisoft. This is the message bus. So this is the deployment diagram that I have drawn here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video.